If you see here, we have listed out few of the cases where lever valve is there. Okay, so this is a normal valve with the lever handle. So minimum distance from grade should be 750 to 1300. Okay, as we have discussed in the first slide, this is a preferred location where operator can come, stand and operate this valve. Similarly, if this same valve is rotated 90 degree, then this will be the scenario. The handle can go up or down. Now in both the cases, if handle is straight, then this distance should be 1905. If handle is upside, then this distance should be 1905. So distance is same 1905, but here maximum height to top of the handle, that should be this thing. If we are locating like this, okay, then my this should be 1905, and in this position it will be closed or open. If we are positioning it here, then it may go downwards, but this should be maximum 1905 only. And center line above 1300 or between this. Okay, this is a standard practice, but we are talking about these valve handles elevation 1905 for this kind of scenario, and this is the preferred one when operator is standing at grade. In this section, what we are doing, these are the typical cases we found at battery limits. Most of the battery limit cases are like this for vertical configuration, as we have discussed in our pipe rack section. This is the vertical configuration for pipe rack at battery limits. So this is again a preferred one. Okay, the handle is rotating up to this point, so this should be uh, not more than 1905. Again here this should be within the range of 1305. Okay, so horizontal handle should be 1300, which is preferred one, and we need to maintain spacing in between, that is minimum 75 mm between edge of handle and edge of the valve. Okay, so these two things we need to take care. Preferred elevation 1300 or 1900 to maximum height of this handle when it is closed or open, and spacing between two. Similarly here, if we are having this kind of configuration, this 75 mm space we have to maintain between valve edge and valve flange edge. Again, y should be between 1300 is preferable, but maximum we can go up to 1905. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.